wet my nails, and I'm pick up my beads. I'm gonna share with all of you who doing beginner with liquid and powder. Pick up your beads, and it's really depend on what state. Like our state right now, the weather is decent, so it's not too hot. So the powder ratio with the liquid is totally fine. I'm gonna tap it and guide it from a side toward to the center, because you don't want to wipe off your brush really well before you dip it into the monomer. Okay, great. Fabulous. So here's the thing. You have two ways, okay? If you want to do your dramatic glitter to be is like under encapsulated with nude, you should do it now. But if you want to do your dramatic glitter on the top of the nude, then you do it later. So either way, you will look good as well. So where my gold though? Do I have a gold? No, it's a gold, this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this. My clear colors. Oh. I'm looking for my clear, sorry guys. So, hi Tanamic. Thank you so much, sweetie. I'd love to join you one night to do nails with you, Nancy. If you're a local or if you'll go to one of the trade show or one of the class, I would love to share with you, because sometimes in person will tell a lot more. I'm gonna use this. This is a blast of colors. I love these two colors. Let me move it so you can see it. Really freaking cute. And that's, I took it out from this out of 12 colors. I'm really enjoyed this one. And just really awesome. And I have right here on my side, I also have the really cute one, which is Shiny Sky. So I'm gonna take some of them out. Can I get this one and this? The gold and that's, thank you. So I'm gonna give it a little bit the hint of it, okay? If you want a lot of more, depend on how your clients like it. If the clients that like a lot of glitter, you give them more. If the clients like a little, just a little hint of it. Just a little bit. I don't want too much. I'm gonna pick some of this, you know, Shiny Skies right here, and dab it in. This is really simple and easy for beginners. I would suggest beginners do not like afraid of to try something new, and just follow exact the step that I sharing with you. Usually you can get that down really easy. I picked the Shiny Sky, the big, the darker one. This is great for even one of the nails for St. Patty's coming. We've been doing a Mardi Gras down in South. We're doing, well, of course, we passed our just our Valentine yesterday, but there's more different holidays that you can share with your clients. I'm gonna do that. I need kind of, I like the contrast of that two colors, and just a hint of it. If you want more, you can do more. I'm just trying to coordinating them all together. Just if you feel it dry, I don't know if you see me, I keep dapping it back in. I just doing it in my clear. So the clears give me really thin coat of clear will give me the base, so then I can adhere my encap my glitter much better. There you go. Right there. Great. Sometimes glitter don't listen, but just don't worry, don't give up. Give them, now I am going to do is really cool. Here's a tip and trick for beginners. Again, as a lot of different video I sharing. Pick one bead and we're gonna do right here. Drop it right where your green and then you're gonna work with, let it flow, and you're gonna drag it to gentle. Wipe my brush. To blend it first. And you're gonna go to second bead. And now you're gonna perfect your cuticle area. I'm gonna wait for just a second, and then now I am going to use the body of the brush and tap it, because earlier if I pull them right away, like it just sculpting it right away, all my powder is gonna be pulled off using a brush, so we don't want that. We'll let it set for just a second. And then drag it down. If you want the ombre to be down more, then can add more nude colors on it. But not, I think it looks good though. But if you want drag more, you can. I'm so excited to see everyone who can make it to a March class in Michigan. We are so freaking excited because there's gonna be a great program. We are having a 3-day intense training. First day gonna be all about liquid and powder and dipping powders, but more important than everything is the shaping and structure of the nails. That's important, and is salon style shaping, trendy shaping, how to shape the nails really quick, simple, easy, nice, clean, sanitize, and perfect for your clients in your salons. And all the design for dipping powder and liquid and powder, like ombre, color blocking, encapsulating. Second day will be for crystal nail art and all of painting gel, 4D gels, and all 3D designs, and encapsulating glitters for all gel polish, dipping powder, liquid and powder, And the third day will be a great, awesome, it's brand ambassador training. What is that does for and why we're choosing Michigan for our class is Michigan closer to every state that you can access into, and it's really travel with affordable price. Also, brand ambassador, we are branching out and looking for a lot of nail technicians who are really passionate and would love to share the passion with others nail techs and would help them to be successful, so then you can be successful as well. Great opportunity that we get to work with you for all the trade shows and classes. We're gonna help you to open and to like hosting all different classes with us, and also a lot of opportunity to be collaborating in the future. So much to learn, and I am so excited. And on behalf of the company and the team, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you all on that day. So it's gonna be on March 28th and March 29th and March 30th in Ann Arbor, Michigan. So if you are from Ohio, you can any state is like in within driving like a few hours. So check it out if you are in that schedule, and then you can make it happen. Don't wait, because we got chance to train so many of our students, not brand ambassador class, but this is because the brand ambassador class, but then we have other class. The student got learn so much. It completely change your careers, feel so much confident, and make so much extra income from take good care of the clients and bring a new technique to them. Great. So when I'm talking to you, I'm using is the clear powder to coat, to encap that. Great. So I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna do some crystal application in here. I wish I was in USA. I'd love to be. Where are you now? Chinamax? Are you in United States or you are in? Oh. We do some more nails. One more nails. Let's do this.